Hi, my name is Molly Grew. I'm a certified addiction counselor and a case manager here at Lighthouse Recovery Institute. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT. CBT is based on the idea that our thoughts create our feelings and our feelings create our behaviors. So if we can take a look at our thoughts, we can understand a little bit more about why we feel the way we do and why we act in the ways that we do. When our thoughts are distorted, our feelings can become distressing, which can lead to maladaptive behaviors. We want to change those behaviors when we're in recovery, and that starts with identifying our thoughts and shifting distorted thoughts into more rational thoughts. What I like to do in CBT groups is identify the cognitive distortions that patients are experiencing. Once we've identified them, we can begin to challenge them, and we can shift to more positive emotions, greater emotional regulation, and more positive behaviors for a lifetime of recovery.